Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making soft cinnamon rolls with a little twist. They are pink. So for our cinnamon roll dough ingredients, we have milk, dry yeast, eggs, unsalted butter, sugar, salt, all-purpose flour, and you want to make sure that it's shift. And we have heavy cream. For our cinnamon roll filling, we have brown sugar, cinnamon, and butter. For our cinnamon roll frosting, we have cream cheese, unsalted butter, sugar, salt, vanilla extract, and cold heavy whipping cream. The first step that you want to do, you want to start by taking a small bowl and you want to combine your warm milk and your dry yeast together. You want to stir those together. You want to set those aside. You want to let your yeast dissolve and activate for about 10 minutes. Next, in a mixing bowl, we're going to add our egg and our sugar. And we're going to beat that on high for about 5 minutes. We're going to add our whisk attachment to our mixing bowl. We're going to mix together our eggs and our sugar. Our eggs and our sugar have been mixing for about 5 minutes. Now you want to turn down your mixer. And you want to add your butter. Your salt. Now you want to add in your yeast and your milk. Now I'm changing my attachment, which is my dough hook. Now here I'm going to add in the pink color to change the color of my cinnamon buns. That's a bright pink. It is so pretty. So now you want to add half of your shifted flour. You want to add a half a cup after that until all your flour has been properly incorporated. Your dough should be soft and it should not stick too much to the sides of your mixing bowl. Next, you want to cover your bowl with some plastic or a kitchen towel, and you want to place it in a warm spot and let it rise for about an hour to 2 hours. After 2 hours, our dough has tripled in size. So we're going to remove our dough from the bowl onto a flour countertop. Here, we're going to split our dough into 2. You want to roll out one chunk of your dough at a time, using a rolling pin into a large triangle shape, about 1/2 inch thick. So here I have rolled out my dough. I'm doing my cinnamon rolls a little bit different. I'm going to spread my butter on the top of my dough, and then I'm going to cut them into 1-inch pieces. And then I'm going to sprinkle my cinnamon sugar on the top, which is brown sugar and cinnamon. You could melt your butter into your cinnamon and spread it like that if you would like to. But I found this to be a little bit more easier for me. Instead of cutting it once you roll it. So now that all my cinnamon sugar has been spread all over my dough, I'm going to roll each piece up. And this is what they look like. And I'm going to set them into my baking pan just like that. Next, you want to add your rolls into a baking pan and let them rise for about 45 minutes in a warm place. We are going to make our cinnamon roll cream cheese frosting. So in a mixing bowl, you want to add your soft cream cheese and you want to add your butter. Then we're adding our butter. And now you want to add in your salt. And here, now we're going to add in the sugar. And now you want to add in your vanilla extract. You want to let that mix for about 40 seconds or so. Now you want to add in the rest of your ingredients, which is your heavy cream. And we're just going to add our heavy cream in. You want to beat well once more until all is combined. Then you want to set aside your cream cheese frosting until you are ready to use it. So here are my cinnamon rolls after they have been proofed. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you can start by baking your rolls for 7 minutes and then remove them from the oven. I'm going to pour 1 teaspoon of heavy cream over each cinnamon roll. Then place them back into the oven and continue baking until they have turned golden brown and all the heavy cream melts. Once your cinnamon rolls are done baking, you want to remove the baked rolls from the oven and let them cool for about 10 minutes before frosting them. So here are my rolls out of the oven, and we're just going to add our cream cheese frosting on the top. Here are my cinnamon rolls. They are nice and gooey and warm and delicious. We have made cinnamon rolls, and I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.